Greetings to all. We are presenting our research paper on bibliometric analysis of sustainable investing in Scopus database. Authors of the paper are Shabna Babu, Research Scholar in Commerce, Maharajas College, Ernakulam; Dr. Vineet KM, Research Supervisor. Over the previous several decades, sustainable investing has progressed. We define sustainable investment as all types of socially responsible investment, including ESG investment. Sustainable investment addresses changing external circumstances while SRA is driven by the values of the investors. Sustainable investing is a kind of investment that takes into account ESG factors in order to achieve long-term competitive financial returns while also having a good societal effect. Coming to the statement of the problem, bibliometric analysis always helps to assess and identify the most important articles, authors, and sources in a particular research area based on the number of documents, citations, and related metrics. The present paper attempts to present a concise report of the bibliometric analysis of the articles and documents in the area of sustainable investing as a keyword in Scopus database. Sustainable investing being an emerging field of study, 1993 documents could be traced from the Scopus database for the period from 1982 to 2021. The most prominent authors and sources are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. Before going to the Scopus data, we also assessed the Google Scholar ranking of the different articles in that particular keyword. The top 25 articles are identified and listed, and the documents from Google Scholar could see that the GSI Alliance in 2016 is found to be the most cited document, while the document from M. Fulton, Beacon, and C. Sharples are ranked number one in the Google Scholar ranking. The publish or perish application can produce Google Scholar documents list of the same up to 1000 documents using search. We are listing the top 25. Considering the documents produced per year, we could see that after 2000 there has been a real increase in the article production, and 2020 was one of the top, and 2021 is expected to make more output soon. Considering the documents per year by source, we could see that Sustainability Journal from Switzerland, Journal of Cleaner Production, Journal of Sustainable Finance and Investment, Energy Policy, and Ecological Economics are the most important sources in producing articles and documents in this particular area. Considering the documents by author, Krosinski C., Richardson B.J., Tsuyoshi T., Robbins N. are found to be the most prominent authors in this particular area, while the other 6 authors share 4 documents each in this particular area. Documents by affiliation is also counted, and we could see that University of Oxford is heading the list, followed by Imperial College London, Organisation Mondiale de la Santé, University of Cambridge and Yale University, University of British Columbia, Harvard University, University of Melbourne, Monash University, and University of Queensland in the top 10. Considering the countries, you could see that United States always heads most of the research outputs, followed by UK, Australia, China, Germany, Canada, Italy, India, Netherlands, and Spain. Considering the document type, you could see that 60% of the documents are research articles, followed by 18% of conference papers, and 8.5% of book chapters, and 7.6% of review papers. Sustainable investment techniques work together to support ethical corporate practices and to deploy money for social and environmental benefit throughout the economy. More research in this emerging field is expected in India also, as we could see that India is also one of those top 10 countries contributing to this area. Premier institutions in India have started contributing to the field via research projects and articles in this area. So we could expect more research in this area. Thank you very much for your patient listening.